Okay, next question about liquidity. How we calculate this in Uniswap V3, and I show how I implement fast way in Solidity code, not in Python, because I want fast do this and don't want create projects, start these tests and compile as any compiler's version, because from this book we don't work with official code. It's very annoying, and let's move let's move further, and I show how I implement liquidity calculation in Solidity on current compiler. Okay, so we have these formulas, and for calculating liquidity we need 5 params. Delta x, how much amount of token 0 we put in pool. Delta y, so this is token 1. We must know the current price upper of position, it's price which we can't cross, and the lower, it's lower boundary of our price position. 5 params. In Python we have calculation in book in first milestone in Python. Yeah, but when you compare these values with this calculation with Solidity, they will be different, because Python not Solidity. We have some rounding, and I don't know, it's this not much perfectly, so it's we build Uniswap V3 in Solidity, and we must calculate all information in Solidity too. You can see that if we input 5000 from Solidity, from we have this square root price x96, and from Python we have another value. It's not too much difference, but it is. So in Uniswap in book we have Uniswap V3 manager, and from this test smart contract we interact with our manager contract and then mint liquidity. And one more thing, we know that unofficial and code from Uniswap V3 pool must this code mint function accept as lower and upper boundaries ticks. User cannot mint, the user cannot create position liquidity with some random price. It's not allow, code not allow do this. We can create position liquidity only for a particular tick. So mint function accept only ticks, but in user friendly interface common users don't know about ticks, and they don't understand it, and it more convenient work with price. Yeah, it if I say that I want put some values of assets to pool and create two boundaries, and I know lower price and upper price. Yeah, and for my convenient I do same. I create conversion from price to tick, and from price to tick, and inside function from tick we retrieve price again and use it in our liquidity mass library, because mass accept prices. And official Uniswap V3 use full mass library for calculation liquidity. They don't use EBDK. EBDK it's library from this book. You can read about it in third milestone in this term. It's similar to PRB library and allow us take square root from prices with more excellent precise. Okay. So let's calculate our liquidity. You see my inputs here, and you can see liquidity from these inputs. It's lower price, it's upper price, it's 1 Ethereum, 1 and 80 zeros, it's 5000 USDC or token 1, and we use current price 5000. So we have upper lower tick. It's similar to information from first milestone, but we have some difference in square root price calculations. And we can see this is liquidity for 1 Ethereum and 5000 USDC. And we can see it's slightly different from this value. It's slightly different. And I like this piece of code because I can paste it in Remix, and I don't need any tests and any other projects. I just paste and use and know 5 params, and bam, I have my liquidity. It's very convenient for me, and I think it's very useful. It's very useful. Okay, that's it. I think it's enough. Next video I want move further for book and learn about cross-tick swaps and other information. Thanks for watching.